American citizens residing in Canada have a very complicated tax situation. As a U.S. citizen, there's an obligation to file a tax return annually, no matter where you live in the world. Here, if you're a U.S. citizen living in Canada, and therefore a Canadian resident, you also have to file a Canadian tax return. But the fun doesn't stop there. As a U.S. citizen, there's a lot of other forms that need to be filed annually with the IRS. Forms that include reports on foreign bank accounts. You might want to file an RSP election if you have a Canadian RSP. If you set up a registered education savings plan for your children to go to university, that must be disclosed annually to the IRS. Similarly, if you own a privately owned business, there's some complex financial reporting that needs to happen every year for that specific business that also needs to be shared with the IRS. So a U.S. citizen, living in Canada has a very complicated personal tax situation.